The last counting principle is really just more of a general principle of counting. And we'll start off with an example, so you get an idea. Let's say a restaurant offers a 3-course prix menu, and you can choose one of 3 appetizers, one of 4 mains, and one of 2 desserts. So the question is, how many different meals can you have? So again, we can use the pigeonhole principle that we saw in previous lessons. We can say there are 3 appetizers, and then there are 4 mains and 2 desserts. And so the number of different meals we can have is 3 times 4 times 2, which is 24. You can also do something called a tree diagram, but these tend to be a little trickier to draw just because the number of possibilities multiplies, and you get a very complicated looking diagram. But this is what a tree diagram would look like. You'd start with the 3 appetizers, and you would say, okay, we could have appetizer 1, appetizer 2, or appetizer 3. And then you would say, once you've picked one of those appetizers, you've got one of 4 mains. So you could have 1, 2, 3, or 4. And you have to do that for every single branch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can see where we're going. You've got 3 desserts, and so every one of those branches has to have 3 things coming off them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, etc. And this is sort of about the limit that you'd want to do this for. In fact, even this is a little tedious, but it can be useful sometimes just to clarify your thoughts to start doing a tree diagram. And the idea is that each branch represents a different meal. And you can count up all the meals and see there are 24 terminal branches. And it's obviously a lot easier just to do 3 times 4 times 2. But sometimes if you're really not sure where to go, starting off with a tree diagram can kind of clarify your thoughts.